Hi everyone, it's Graham at the Insider Wine Club. So we're 24 hours into the pre-launch of the Insider Club 2024. It's been fantastic so far. The amount of sign-ups on the website has been brilliant. Lots of communication from people about how this looks and the excitement about it. But there's been a couple of questions which come back to me a couple of times that I wanted to address head on and address them clearly and concisely, unlike years gone by. The first question is, well, what is the Insider Club? I mean, what is it? What does it mean? The Insider Club is my attempt to make better wine more accessible for less to you, the consumer, the wine lover. It's not a club about cheap wine. We will not be listing wines at sort of £5, £6, £7. We're not that sort of people. We love great wine, but we are acutely aware of the cost of good wine these days. So it's a wine where you get a 25% average discount on every bottle that will be in our store. And that's based on what the current market rates are. So what you see it online, what you see it for in shops and retail. We make our margin from your subscription fee, which is why we can afford to not make much margin on the actual wine itself. So that's it. It's a club for wine lovers who like and want to drink better wine every time. The second question is, well, okay, fine, £15 a month, but what do I get for that? What does it mean? Some people struggle to see the reality of what that actually means to them. So quite clearly, and I'm going to write this down here as we go, you got a £15 subscription every month, okay? So that's subscription. Let's say you're the sort of person that buys 2 bottles of wine a month. No, sorry, 2 bottles of wine a week. So 8 bottles of wine a month. And let's say you're the sort of person who would normally spend £20 on a bottle if you're going out to a shop. Okay, so that is £160 of wine spend per month. Now, if we're looking at the average discount of 25%, then you are going to be saving £40 on those purchases. Let's factor in the £15 subscription fee. That results in a saving of £25 per month, £300 a year. So there you go, you can go out and have a really nice meal with your partner on us. Obviously, the more you buy, or the better you buy, the more you'll save. And this is the beauty of the club, is that there's no cap that you can spend. You can be buying bottles of wine at £200 if you want to, and you'll be saving £50 per bottle. You do the maths, that's a huge saving. If you're the sort of person that buys 12 bottles of wine a month at £10, so £120 is your spend, save £30, you're saving £15. You're still saving money if you're buying a £10 bottle of wine over a £20 bottle of wine, if you're buying more of them. So it's really about giving you access to better quality wine for less. As I said, this is really about you. There's going to be a huge amount of content in this as well. It's going to be really content driven, so there's going to be lots of communication about great producers, great wines, food pairings, wine pairings, and it's going to be focused on you. If you are interested, and if you haven't signed up yet, head over to the website now. It's www.insiderwineclub.co.uk. It's also down below. And if you have any questions at all, please email me at hello@insiderwineclub.co.uk. I'll pop that down in the comments as well, and drop me a note. I really, really hope that you guys are excited by this. I'm excited by this, and hopefully we'll see you in the club soon. Take care.